concepts about health should get into your system. Please understand, I am defining your body. Your body is the vehicle for your dreams and your ornament. That's all. Just these two statements. Your body is vehicle for your dreams. For all your dreams. The dream may be related to relationships or luxury, comforts, joys, experiences, or enlightenment, whatever it may be. Your body is your vehicle for all your dreams and ornament. This is the definition of body. Health means the ability to fulfill all the dreams you are carrying in a very casual way without losing the quality of being an ornament. See, your body should be able to fulfill all the dreams which you are loading on it. Being an ornament for you. It should be an ornament for you, and it should be a vehicle for your dreams. That is what I will define as a health. I can say that this is the most crystal clear definition on health I have ever given. Just in two words, two statements. Your body is vehicle for all your dreams and an ornament for you. If it can fulfill all your dreams, being an ornament means undamaged. If it is fulfilling all your dreams, but it got damaged, it's not health. It should fulfill all your dreams undamaged. That's what I call health. Now, we will dig out all the health engrams you have. Engrams related to health, beauty, grace, or disease, sickness, illness, all that we will dig out. I want you to know basic few facts. Your body gets dismantled and assembled every day. Your intestine gets replaces itself once in, I think, 3 months. Your liver replaces itself once in 9 months. Even your brain replaces itself once in 1 year. Once in a year. Practically once a year, our whole body replaces itself. Your body gets dismantled and gets assembled every day. First truth. And second, the ideas you carry about you plays a major role in reconstruction of your body. Please understand. Every idea you carry about you plays a major role in reconstruction of your body. Every day, if you feel you are a wrestler, you don't need to do any workout. I challenge. Within 3 months, the body measurements will be different. I am telling you, lazy man's way to build body. You don't need to do anything. Just contemplation. Only thing, one corner of your mind will be barking like a dog. No, how can this happen? I am not a wrestler. I can't even move one tumbler. What do you mean by wrestler? Wrestler means, you need to punch people. I only get punched every day. just shut that dog. You say, that may be fact, but that is not truth. It may be fact now. That does not mean that is going to be truth for tomorrow. I know tomorrow this is going to be the truth. The ideas you add every day about you directly plays a role on your assembling. See, it's like when you get out of your house, if you are going to your office, you will carry files. If you are going to the golf club, you will carry that golf cart, golf bag. Where you are going, you will carry things necessary for that. Same way, every day when you come out of your deep sleep state, what for you get into the body, you bring that kind of tools and weapons and assemble the body. So every day, the idea you have about you directly plays a major role in assembling your body. Your mind is you. If you change the mind, you are changed. That's all. Please understand. Your mind is you. If your mind is changed, you are changed.
Welcome to Inner Awakening, the most powerful personal transformation retreat you could ever experience. In just 21 days, thousands are already experiencing the shortest route to constantly high energy levels, visible anti-aging, healing of chronic diseases, fulfilling relationships, and higher states of consciousness. What is the secret behind this transformation?
Kundalini means the inner potential energy. Once it is awakened, opens the different doors for the conscious experience in you. I can say which is a master key for all extraordinary spiritual experiences.
This extraordinary program is conducted personally by Paramahamsa Nityananda in the vibrant atmosphere of Nityananda Dhyanapitham Ashram. Open yourself to the benefits of Nitya Yoga and practical meditation. Experience physical and mental healing. Discover simple ways to handle life with success. Above all, enjoy individual darshan and blessings from Paramahamsa Nityananda every day. Take 21 days for yourself and carry home the transformation of a lifetime.